Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Wolf Creek, the 2020 Wolf Creek 840. Coming on around this way, we'll take a look. As you can see here on this side, power plug-ins, gas tank, battery storage, all of these nice 1-inch thick doors, solar ready. You have an outside shower. And then on the back side here, you have the Fox landing, real nice heavy-duty steps. And as you come in, you'll see this unit does not have a slide, but there's still an ample amount of space in here. Bench seat with a dinette, sink cover here with a huge open basin sink. And then over on this side, you'll see the Furrion 3-burner cooktop and the Furrion oven, which are both upgrades. Microwave, hood vent, and tons of storage. You see here, nice heavy duty. This is a Northwood product, so it's the same company that makes Arctic Fox. And this one's set up with solar panels already, audio controls. As you come inside this way, you'll see the wet bath with the skylight for tons and tons of space. And then opposite the restroom is your fridge and freezer. Just make sure you can get that in there. And then up here, you have some storage there. And then this piece is very sturdy. But what this does is this folds down so you have a bunk up above. And then back on the front end there, you can see the bed. With storage on either side, power hookups by the heads. And there we go, there's the bunk there. And as you can see, this folds down. So a nice spot for the kids. And come on outside, we'll take a look at some more. And then down here you have your gas hookup. That gives you the ability to run a barbecue back here. You have a roof access ladder, full walkable roof, power awnings, power jacks. And then again, thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions on this unit or would like to take a look at it, please call and ask for me. My number here is 541-731-8583.